student, welcome to my channel. Let's study botany. In our previous class we have already studied about the cell. What is cell? What is the definition of the cell? Who discovered cell? Today's topic is cell theory. So what is cell theory? Okay. So the first one, the cell theory. The cell theory was given by two scientists. Earlier it was given by two scientists. One is your Matthias Seldon and your Theodor Schwann. So Matthias Seldon, the first one is the Matthias Seldon. Matthias Seldon is a German botanist. In 1838, he concluded that all the plant parts were made up of by cells. So here he concluded that all the plant parts, all the plant parts were made up of by cells. Okay, all the plant parts, that may be your stem, may be root, may be leaf, all were made up of by cells. Okay, the basic unit of the plant is the cell. The next one, the second hero of the cell theory, he was the Theodor Schwann. Theodor Schwann is a British zoologist. Okay, he was a zoologist. So he experimented about the animals. In 1839, he concluded that all the animal cells or all the animal parts were made up of by cells. So all the parts of the animal cells are made up of by cells. जेहेतु सिल्डन थिले बटानिस्ट जेहेतु थिले से कहिले जे प्लांट्स रो सब पार्ट्स गुडा सेल द्वारा तयारी हेछि, सब पार्ट्स रे सेल अछि. थियोडर स्वान, he was a zoologist. जेहेतु zoologist थिले से कहिले जे एनिमल रो सब पार्ट्स गुडा सेल्स द्वारा तयारी हेछि. ओके, अगेन सिल्डन थारु स्वान थिले क्यूरियस, क्लेवर थिले, तो सेठी अधिक एक्सपेरिमेंट कले एंड he concluded that there is an outer covering or outer membrane which surrounds the plant cell. Okay, so an outer membrane is present in the animal cell. Okay, and this one is the plasma membrane. Okay, तो से कहिले जेटा होला एनिमल सेल. धर एटा होची एनिमल सेल लो चारिपटे गोटे थीन आउटर मेम्ब्रेन अछि. देयर इज ए आउटर मेम्ब्रेन व्हिच सराउंड्स द एनिमल सेल एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर plasma membrane which surrounds the animal cell. Then also he concluded that like your animal cell, in plant cell also there is a membrane which surrounds the plant cell. So there is a membrane, there is a thick membrane which surrounds the plant cell, and it is your cell wall. This one is your cell wall. The outer covering of the plant cell is called as cell wall and animal cell is called as your plasma membrane. Okay, so here is your plant cell. So there is a outer covering or thick membrane which is called as your cell wall. Okay, so these three are concluded or given by your Theodor Schwann. So Theodor Schwann first कहथिले all the animal parts are made up of by cells. Okay, The next one, there is a outer covering or outer membrane which surrounds the animal cell, and that one is the plasma membrane. Again, in the plant cell, there is a surround or there is a outer membrane which is called as your cell wall. Okay. After that, after your Theodore Swan and your Seldon, the next one is Rudolf Virchow. The next one is Rudolf Virchow. After the Seldon and Swan pore later asile Rudolf Virchow. The Rudolf Virchow कहले there is Rudolf Virchow कहले सेठी interesting कहले एमाने कहले जे all the living organisms are made up of cells. Okay, and Rudolf Virchow said that all the cells form from its pre-existing cell. Pre-existing cells. Okay. Rudolf Virchow said that all the cells form from its pre-existing cells. Okay. तो ये कहले जे every cell divides and from the division the new cells are formed. Okay. देखो जे आम जिते बड़े बॉडी रे प्लांट बॉडी हो कि ह्यूमन बॉडी हो किछि गोटे खंडिया हे गेले कोन हेइथाय से जगहटा कोन सेमती खंडिया हे कि थाय से कोन करे धीरे धीरे सेटा फिल अप हे जाय कोन पई फिल अप हे ड्यू टू द सेल डिविजन सेल डिवाइड हेस द सेल डिवाइड्स इनटू टू न्यू सेल्स. ओके, तो जो जगहटा खंडिया हेइथाय से जगहटा अगेन सेटा फिल अप हे जाय ड्यू टू द सेल डिविजन. सो एवरी सेल फॉर्म्स फ्रॉम इट्स प्री एक्जिस्टिंग सेल्स. ओके, दैट वन इज सो देखो ह्यूमन बॉडी रे हमर जो न्यूरॉन सेल्स अछि न्यूरॉन सेल्स डिवाइड करेनी तो सेति पय कोन कहंती वेयर द हेलमेट काई यूज करिया कहंती कारण न्यूरॉन सेल जदी एटी खंडिया हे गेला एटी पूरा फाटी गला कि किछि हेला देन आउ सेटा रिकवर हबनी बुझिला त सेति पय तमन को ट्रैफिक रूल्स अछि द वेयर द हेलमेट बट हम माने कोन करू यूज करू ना कोन पय हेयर स्टाइल नष्ट हे जबो त ता पछरे रीजन अछि जे नर्व सेल केबे भी तमनकर रिकवर हबनी जदी नर्व सेल फाटी गला देन तमे भी फाटी गला बुझिला. सो हियर Rudolf Virchow said that all the cells form from its pre-existing cell. Okay, and here the total of your cell theory, the first one at the first point of the cell theory, all the living organisms are made up of by your cells. All the living organisms, that may be your plant cell or your animal cells, all are made from the cells. Okay, the first point. The second point which was given by your Virchow is the all the cells form from its pre-existing cells. Okay, तो जेतेले तमने भाबुथिबो कि theory of origin of life रे पढिचो जे नाही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसे तमरा CH4 हुए और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी CH4 रो न्यू सेल्स रो फॉर्मेशन हुए और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रो फॉर्मेशन हुए कि माइथोलॉजिकल रे पढिचो ब्रह्मा आसीले पूरा ढिस ढास कर देले देन न्यू लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रो फॉर्मेशन हैला बुझिला. सो सेडा सब थिला स्टोरी, दीज आर द स्टोरी. ओके, बट हियर इन योर सेल थ्योरी every cells derived from its pre-existing cells. So in your cell theory there are so many MCQ questions are there. One is the Matthias-Seldon question as in MCQ which botanist or the Matthias-Seldon is a dash, or the according to Matthias-Seldon all the plant cells were made up of by cells, so Matthias-Seldon is a dash. Okay, so here you have to remember Matthias-Seldon which is a German botanist. देखो मन रखिया केते इजी Matthias मेथी सागो तो मेथी ता कोन होची मेथी is related to your plant. So here Matthias-Seldon is botanist. Then your Theodor Swan is a name of a bird, so bird is related to animal. So here the Theodor Swan is a zoologist. Okay, the third one Rudolf Virchow, एटा तुमको मन रखिया को पड़िवा, and this one is very much important, very important, that is your Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow said that in 1855, okay, you have to remember the year. In 1855 all the cells form from its pre-existing cell. You have to remember remember the term that is pre-existing self, and it was given by Rudolf Virchow. That is omnis acellula e cellula. That is omnis acellula e cellula. Chinese Latin. Okay. Omnis acellula e cellula. The manne hela all the cells. Omnis means what? The God is omnipresent. The substance which is present everywhere, that is called as omni. Okay. Omnis acellula e cellula. That means all the cells formed from its pre-existing cells. Okay. So this one is MCQ. This one is MCQ. Who told that omni acellula e cellula? That is Rudolf Virchow. This one is also important. Okay. Again, Matthias Sildon is a botanist. Theodor Swan is a zoologist. So this is about our cell theory, which is very much important for your NEET, for your AIMS and for your board exam. Okay. जल्दी तुमको बुझी है ना, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक कमेंट